I found myself again. In the light I was missing then, every piece that I let go brought me back to who I know. Right here I found myself again. Took a walk with nowhere to go, let the silence take control. All the weight I used to hold felt so small out in the open. And for the first time I felt alright.